Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I've invested in all of these companies and I'm very bullish. Let's jump right into it. First, let's check the prices. Okay, today, we had this huge pump in Bitcoin after this tweet from Elon Musk, the richest man in the world. He says it was inevitable that he gets to Bitcoin. And yeah, then we had this massive volume incoming here. We broke out of this triangle, which is very good, very bullish here. Yeah, and then a lot of people expected, and it goes to 45,000 or so. But what it did when the US and Canada stepped in and at 1530, it dropped back again, and we're now at 35,000. So, but this is still very good. I think a lot of people take profits right now before the weekend because, we have this correction and the people are burned a little bit. So it's good to have some cash on the sideline, I guess. So nothing happened here. Yes. So Bitcoin is 5% in green, Ether 1%. Our miners are a little bit in green. Hive is a little bit red. Yeah, nothing special here. I mean, when the market opened, these stocks pumped like crazy, and I set some targets for hashrate and Bitfarms to sell a little bit to have more cash on the hand, but it was not triggered. It was very close, but it was not triggered. So I still have my hashrate and Bitfarms position, and yes, okay. So let's move on. I mean, a lot of people expected a lot more from the miners today, but I can tell you it's not like that these stocks with Bitcoin, they move in tandem. First, we need the momentum back. There needs some pressure on it. And I want to show you something I found in the Argo chat here on London Stock Exchange. I mean, on December 16th, I registered there. First, I said, hey guys, I'm finally registered. Great chat and community here. And also on the December 16th, the price was at 12 pence here. We're right now at 88 pence. So we're trading right now 8 times higher. Hey guys, thanks a lot for your support. Be happy about the low price of Argo Blockchain and accumulate as much as you can. Price will always catch up with value in my opinion. It's like a ball you push underwater very hard, but when the ball gets released, it jumps like crazy out of the water. This will happen to ARB in my opinion. No financial advice. Happy Green Christmas. So at that time, Argo Blockchain was traded very low. The people were frustrated. There are some people, they have invested 2 years ago. And nothing happened to this stock, only drop. But then I saw this momentum coming in, this pressure on these stocks, and the other miners, they rise. And I said it's only a matter of time. So relax, we're in here for these big gains. And a few days later, this thing pumped like crazy, like 10x. And yes, I know a lot of people jumped in when it was high. They're maybe now in red, they're angry. But if you buy the hype, this happens, and you have to be a little bit patient because Argo will go up again, like the other miners, like hashrate, which is right now a little bit boring. It had a nice breakout today here to $6 Canadian, but since then it drops again. And yes, but the time will come for these stocks. I mean, we can see it here in hashrate. We had here like a 200% pump within 2 days or so. Then here a 100% pump from $4 to $8 Canadian within 2 days. So these jumps, they come in waves. And first we need a lot of pressure, and then it gets released, and then we have these crazy gains. So in my opinion, this will happen again. We have to be patient here. And that's why we diversify, because we don't know exactly which one is gonna make these big moves. We need a trigger here. And that's why we are diversified into different stocks, I guess. Okay, so be patient here. First, I think we need a Bitcoin all-time high, a new one, like about 42,000 or so. I think that's the time when our miners will get crazy again, when we're at 45,000 or so. But before this, I think it's a slow growth. Maybe we get some news about expansion or so. Maybe then is something happening. But I think first we need Bitcoin to front run, and the miners will follow, and very big time. Okay, so what news do we had? We had the Bitfarms president, Jeff Murphy. He was on TV here, and yeah, it was interesting. 2 points were mentioned here. First of all, it seems like they want to expand more in Quebec. They want to expand their 5 facilities there, what they already have online, and yeah, they have some additional space there and some additional capacity, so they will first build this one out and then they want to build a new facility there. So it seems like they want to focus on Quebec and South America. It sounds like it's a little bit more further down the road, I guess. Yes, and the second part was about the possible listing on another exchange in the US, and I think they were talking about the Nasdaq listing, and yeah, he said that the shareholders, they want it, and yeah, they're looking for this. So there was no disclosed statement or something like this, but it's very obviously that Bitfarms is also trying to get to Nasdaq. So I think we have now Hut 8, we have Argo, we have Bitfarms, and I think Hive will do this too. So they're all applying for this Nasdaq listing. We don't know which one is first, but this will come in Q1 or Q2, I guess. Then we will have this crazy revaluation of our stocks at the latest then when they go to Nasdaq. Okay, what else do we have? Argo Blockchain, yeah, they installed 1,295 new mining machines in production. So yeah, they have these S19s and S19 Pros with an additional 127 petahash. That's right now 772 petahash. By the end of Q2 2021, they want to have 1.685 petahash. Yes, 1,685 petahash, which is very nice. So Argo is growing very, very good here. Okay, so what else do we have? The Bitcoin mining calculator here. For Argo Blockchain, we have here these 700. This number is wrong. Let's try it again. So yeah, let's calculate the mining profit. So with 772 petahash right now with a power consumption of 35 megawatts and 5 cents in electricity costs. I think the electricity costs are a little bit lower, but let's calculate the maintenance with, I think it's 5 to 6 cents, maintenance and electricity for Argo. So yeah, the mining revenue right now is 164,000 US dollars. And the electricity costs are 42,000, and the mining profit, the gross mining profit, is 123,000 US dollars per day. So that's very nice, and that's when they would sell it today. So that's revenue. But I think they hodl all these coins, and yeah, when Bitcoin increases in price, these coins are later a lot more valuable than now, I guess. So good strategy here from Argo Blockchain. Nice moves here, very good. So what else do we have? The difficulty right now is the difficulty from the last adjustment was plus 1%, so very slow. And we see here the hash rate and the difficulty is not growing so big. So in 7 days we're gonna have the next adjustment here for difficulty, and right now the forecast is 2.7, between 2.7 and 3.8%. So it looks like the hash rate is not growing that fast right now. So I think it will pick up later in the year, which is very good for us, for our miners. They can make a lot of Bitcoins right now, which are like, so okay. So what else do we have? Let's move on. Yeah, in Ethereum we have a crazy mining profitability again here at 9.3 US dollars cents per day per megahash. Bitcoin was a few hours ago above 25 cents per day per terahash. Yeah, but it decreased now a little bit, but it's also very good mining profitability right now. Okay, yeah, let's check the data here. First, the BMXI here, or the BMX. We have here Mara number 1 in the absolute terms. We have Hut 8 number 2, Hive number 3. And yeah, we have the BMXI here with Hut 8 number 1, Hive number 2, and Bitfarms and Argo number 3. Yeah, let's move on here. Let's go to the OPEX data. And yeah, what I see here is that I have a little mistake, guys. So I have the wrong number here for Argo. It's a little bit higher. I have 722, but it's 772. So adjusted. Okay, a little change here, but not big. It's still 0.26. Yeah, okay. So what's the market cap here? Mara number 1 with 2 billion, Riot number 2 with 1.4 billion, Hive 700 million, yeah, and Hut 8 and Argo like 400 million, and Bitfarms still down there with 220 million US dollars. Okay, so that's the data here. Let's go to the portfolio right now. So my portfolio from this correction is still overweighted on my top positions. I hope that these positions will make more gains than the other miners and the other crypto stocks, and then I will diversify again. So yeah, today I sold my Mara stocks to have some cash on the sideline. It's only 3%. The goal for today was 5%, but I missed my targets for Bitfarms and Hut 8. I was very close there with my targets, but yeah, then the price dropped, and okay, that's how it is. So I sold the Mara stocks, and yeah, I will wait for these momentum change, for the miners, for the big moves, and then I will go into this direction here, into a diversified portfolio again. You know this now. Yeah, that's how it is. So this week I'm right now at 1% in green. This was 1 hour ago, so maybe I'm now at 0 or -1. I don't know exactly. But it looks like that these big red weeks, the last 2 weeks, this streak have ended. And I think we're now getting this turnaround, and we're moving first slow, but then faster to our huge gains, I guess. So yeah, I never said this is gonna be easy. I always say this is a very difficult game to make money in this thing. But if you have the patience, if you have the mentality to do this, you can make huge gains. I mean, remember this Argo chat here? It was like 1 month ago or 5 weeks ago. Argo was 10x lower, and the people were frustrated. And then Argo was like the star on the sky, and now the people are frustrated again. So this is very crazy how fast this things changes. And we often have to look back a little bit and relax, because yeah, these stocks cannot make always 2x every week or so. So I think yeah, we're gonna have a nice time in the future. Yeah, we follow our strategy. We have now a little bit time again to improve this cash management. We'll talk tomorrow with Nikos. He did a great job with validating my BMXI, and now we try to get this formula for the cash management with the average position of like 15%, and yeah, combine it with maybe greed and fear index to increase when we're at greed and to decrease when we're at fear. Yeah, this is going to be very exciting. This is the next step to improve our strategy here and to create value for all of us. Yes, and I think, yeah, guys, let's have a nice weekend, relax a little bit. I think next week is going to be very good. Hope so. And yeah, we will see us in the next one, latest on Sunday in the miner comparison here on YouTube. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.